discuss 4.4 some important carbon compounds, ethanol and ethanoic acid. Many carbon compounds are invaluable to us, but here we shall study the properties of two commercially important compounds, ethanol and ethanoic acid. 4.41 Properties of ethanol. Ethanol is a liquid at room temperature. Refer to table 4.1 for the melting and boiling points of ethanol. Ethanol is commonly called alcohol and is the active ingredient of all alcoholic drinks. In addition, because it is a good solvent, it is also used in medicines such as tincture iodine, cough syrups, and many tonics. Ethanol is also soluble in water in all proportions. Consumption of small quantities of dilute ethanol causes drunkenness, even though this practice is condemned. It is a socially widespread practice. However, intake of even a small quantity of pure ethanol, called absolute alcohol, can be lethal. Also, long-term consumption of alcohol leads to many health problems. Reactions of ethanol. Reaction with sodium. Sodium plus CH3CH2OH. Arrow 2CH3CH2O Na plus CH2. Sodium ethoxide. Alcohols react with sodium, leading to the evolution of hydrogen with ethanol. The other with ethanol. The other product 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 is sodium ethoxide. Can you recall with which other substances produced hydrogen on reacting with metals? Second reaction to give unsaturated hydrocarbon, heating ethanol at 443 K with excess concentrated sulfuric acid results in the dehydration of ethanol to give ethene CH3CH2OH. Hot conc H2SO4 CH2 CH2 plus H2O. The concentrated sulfuric acid can be regarded as a dehydrating agent which removes water from ethanol. How to how do alcohols affect living beings? When large quantities of ethanol are consumed, it tends to slow metabolic processes and to depress the central nervous system. This results in lack of coordination, mental confusion, drowsiness, lowering of the normal inhibitions, and finally stupor. The individual may feel relaxed without realizing that his sense of judgment sense of of timing of timing and muscular coordination have have, have been seriously impaired. Unlike ethanol, intake of methanol in very small quantities can cause death. Methanol is oxidized to methanol in the liver. Methanol reacts rapidly with the components of cells. It coagulates the protoplasm in much of the same way an egg is coagulated by cooking. Methanol also affects the optic nerve, causing blindness. Ethanol is an important industrial solvent. To prevent the misuse of ethanol produced for industrial use, it is made until for drinking by adding poisonous substances like methanol to it. Dyes are also added to color the alcohol blue so that it can be identified easily. This is called denatured alcohol. Alcohol alcohol as a fuel. Sugarcane plants are one of the most efficient converter of sunlight into chemical energy. Sugarcane juice can be used to prepare molasses, which is fermented to give alcohol. Ethanol. Some countries now use alcohol as an additive in petrol since it is a cleaner fuel which gives rise to only carbon dioxide and water on burning insufficient air. Oxygen. 4.4.2 Properties of ethanoic acid. Ethanoic acid is commonly called acetic acid and belongs to a group of acids called carboxylic acid. 5-8% solution of acetic acid in water is called vinegar and is used widely as a preservative in pickles. The melting point of pure ethanoic acid in is 290 K and hence it often freezes during winter in cold climate. This gave rise to its name glacial acetic acid. The group of organic compounds called carboxylic acid are obviously characterized by their acidic nature. However, unlike mineral acids like HCl, which are completely ionized, carboxylic carboxylic acid the group of organic compounds called carboxylic acid are obviously characterized by their acidic nature. However, unlike mineral acids like HCl, which are completely ionized, carboxylic acid are weak acid. Formation Figure 4.11 Formation of ester. Test tube containing reaction mixture, water, beaker, wire gauge, tripod stand burner. Reactions of ethanoic acid, esterification reaction. Esterification reaction. Esters are most commonly formed by reaction of an acid and an alcohol. Ethanoic acid react with absolute ethanol in the presence of an acid catalyst to give an ester CH3 COO CH3 CH3 COOH plus CH3 CH2OH OH acid CH3 CH3 C double bond O CH2 CH3 plus H2O ester ethanoic acid ethanoic acid ethanoic acid ethanoic acid generally esters are sweet smelling substances. These are used in making perfumes and as flavoring agents. On treating with sodium hydroxide, which is an alkali, the ester is converted back to alcohol and sodium salt of carboxylic acid. This reaction is known as saponification because it is used in the preparation of soaps, or sodium or potassium salt of long chain carboxylic acid. CH3 COO C2H5 NaOH C2 CH5OH plus CH3COONA. Reaction with a base like mineral acids. Ethanoic acid reacts with a base such as sodium hydroxide to give a salt. Sodium ethanoate are commonly called sodium acetate and water. NaOH plus CH3COOH arrow CH3COONA plus H2O. How does ethanoic acid react with carbonates and